Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. A brief video today. In fact, actually, I can call it a warning really to some other YouTubers, in fact, to all YouTubers, guys, and to my viewers. Yesterday, it's been brought into my attention that there were some comments flying about on my channel under the latest video, and in fact, those comments looked like they were done by me, but in fact, actually, they weren't. They're very generic comments that didn't make sense to the questions that were asked in the comment section, and in fact actually advertised a phone number for one reason or the other. Not sure whether it's pretending to be my phone number, I don't know. But the way the message has been worded were really sort of not personal and not quite relevant. And also, after actually looking through this, what makes it sort of not so confusing, but it's got my picture of my face on it. It's got Anna's Food and Lifestyle as the name of the person, like a channel type thing. And the only thing that's different, the little at thingy that's on my channel is at Anna's Food Lifestyle. That's that. Yet this one's actually got at Anna's Food Lifestyle 21. So of course, few of you have messaged saying, well, we were aware that wasn't yourself, because the messages are kind of a little bit weird. So what looks like it's somebody there to sabotage my channel, or in fact my reputation. To be fair, I don't actually know. So I've done a little bit of research, not say a little bit of research, I actually trying to find the channel on YouTube, and yes, there's actually identical channel called Anna's Food and Lifestyle, using my little face as the logo of the channel. There's no currently any videos on it, but again, the only difference is the little tag underneath is at Anna's Food Lifestyle 21. But what it looks like, guys, if you kind of see this in the comments, it's somewhat a little bit confusing, because you see somebody's face, somebody's logo, you kind of do assume that it will be them commenting, but obviously it is not me. It is puzzling why actually YouTube even allowed somebody to open the account with the same name. In fact, looking at the history of an account, it's been open in 2013, but I appreciate you probably can change the name of your channel, okay, to anything you want. The only thing is the at that makes a difference. But nonetheless, the channel currently has no subscribers and no videos at the moment. So, as I said, guys, I have really no idea what the interior motive of that person is. It kind of seems what's a little bit pointless unless you're really trying to sabotage my reputation and my channel. So the point is, I wanted to point out to your attention, so my viewers, for anybody who's seen the messages and actually aware it's not me, it's definitely not me, because my responses to yourselves, guys, are always personalized to what you're asking, okay? And I always put a heart and the like, and obviously answer if there's something to be answered. But for people potentially that not be maybe that familiar with my channel, potentially might assume there's just me, because they see the logo there and assume it's me responding. So I just want people to be very, very carefully. If there's some messages out there that pretend to be me, but then in fact they're not, they'll have a 21 at the end of it. I have blocked this person from commenting on the channel, but I know sometimes with the bots and anything else, somehow things are coming through. So my point is, I wanted to make you aware, if there are some comments there that potentially made a little bit, I don't know, offensive, I don't know what other comments were made, because there were so many. I don't know how many were done on the different videos in terms of what you know, maybe people engage in terms of some sort of conversations and slagging people off. I really don't know. But another point to point out, that potentially, if that, obviously that account still exists, I've reported this to YouTube, but it's still currently there, so they're going to be investigating that. Obviously that person has a motive of doing something. So I wanted to make other YouTubers aware, first of all, that if you do get any comments on your video, maybe, I don't know, saying horrible things, I don't know, okay? But it's certainly not me, so be cautious of that. Even if I watch some of the other YouTubers, other videos, I really, really rarely actually comment or engage in the conversations. So chances are, even if I watch the video, I would not be commenting or trying to advertise my phone number or try to sell you something or to get any sort of information there. So I just wanted to put it out there just for you to aware. If you have received a comment on your video for something that's pretends to be me, it certainly wasn't, because I haven't been commenting on anything recently. I'm just busy, I've got things to do, I don't watch a lot of YouTube videos, and even if I do, as I said, I rarely comment. So that's that, guys. Just wanted to make people aware, and of course as well, you guys, whoever doing the YouTubes, do kind of bear this in mind, because I know things are happening with the channels and, you know, the bots and that kind of thing, but it's kind of not for 1 second I actually thought that somebody wanted to represent yourself, be yourself, and then comment on my own channel or potentially other channels for whatever reason they really want to be doing that. So there we are. So yes, guys, I just wanted to bring this to anybody's attention. So just please keep a watchful eye on your channel. So there we are. Anyway, guys, well, thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.